Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the preferred SIM by your call, network and message. So to do that, slide up, go to settings here, go to connection, and there is a SIM manager. So we're going to click on it, and there is a preferred SIMs. So as you see, we have placed the both SIM card with different numbers. And by your call, of course, you for the preferred, so the preferred, so when you have called with somebody, the first will be used, in this case SIM1. But if you wish to only calling by your SIM card, set up the preferences for the SIM2 for the calls. In the same way, there is things with message. So you want to write message. So the priority, in this case, the SIM1 will be sent by your message. So by this number. But if you wish to send in the priority from your SIM2, click on it, and all your message will be sent by your SIM2. And of course, the same way is with the mobile data. So I repeat one more time. If you have many more of your transfer data by your SIM2, play the SIM2. If you want to SIM1, of course, do the same. If you don't nothing with your transfer data, you can turn it off and doesn't have any data from this. So that's it for now about the preferences SIM. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!